Within that particular section, you can use this one. This is our overlay. You know, go overlay.
Isoleto. In Africa.
Isoleto.
Sole, sole, sole.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever.
Sole, sole, sole.
Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights.
Sole, sole, sole.
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever.
Sole, sole, sole.
Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for our rights.
Isoleto.
In Africa.
Comrades, still in the celebration of World Human Rights Day, we decided to slow down, make all the vehicles, let the still pass. Let we still free the traffic. Well, in the spirit of the celebration, Bishop, sir, I know so many things they are mind when you want to, but we not fit because of the way traffic don't hold that place. So we shall hand over the mic to Israel, shall speak. I don't want to clear the Bishop Lendo. Shall he not speak? Shall he not speak? Shall he spoke? Shall he prophesy?
Isoleto.
In Africa.
Isoleto.
In Africa.
Once again, I want to thank all of you that have made time available to grace this occasion. It's an occasion to enlighten us, to make us and to help us know those things we do not know. Today, are you people aware that Edo Library have been sold to a restaurant? Are you aware that ShopRite have bought Edo Library? Education and stomach infrastructure, which one is better?
Education.
When you educate a child, you educate a nation. Any child that has no education, no matter how much you give to that child, you have wasted that money. You have wasted that property. When I was young, we have Midwest Library. When I started working, the Midwest Library goes from local government to local government with books. And for some of us who could not afford to buy textbooks, it was an opportunity for us to borrow books from Midwest Library. and they have a big truck that move from local government to local government. You fill a form on when you will return it. And when that time comes, you have not finished reading that book, you ask for extension. You ask for extension. You are very free to borrow as many books you want to borrow. But today, do we have such facilities again? No. Was Nigeria richer and better that time? No. Today, are you aware that the Ministry of Agriculture has been sold? How many of you are aware that there is no Ministry of Agriculture in Central Road again?
No, the one here, they don't sell out.
We are talking of the one here near police headquarters.
Yes, they sell out. Our boss said they don't sell out.
I sold it to his cronies. Are you aware that the Central Hospital has also been sold? Yes. Are you aware that there is no mortuary at Ring Road again? Now, did we vote for Governor Bateki to sell all our common patrimony? No. To sell our property? No. Who are the persons buying our property in Edo State? Are we not qualified to ask questions? Yes. Our lawyer that taught us FOI information bill has taught us that we should make inquiries. We should not put our hands and believe that government is for few people who are there to make profit for themselves and their family. Government is for all of us, according to the spiritual and economic government. Government for the people, by the people, and of people. So, if they have changed the narrative and the meaning of government, is it not our responsibility to bring them back to the law? So, we must ask them, what are you selling our properties for? And who are the people buying our properties? And for whose interest is the property being sold? Because if my father have 10 houses and I decide to go and sell 15, is that for the good of the family? No. I'm supposed to build on the legacies my parents left behind. So if that is what he's doing for us, we are going to ask, why are you selling our properties? Everybody must ask this question. And the money realized from the state, where is that money? Those are questions we must not shy away with. Don't play politics with the future of your children. Don't play politics with the future of your children. Our parents protected our future, and we must stand to protect the future of our next generation. Can we ask questions? Yes. Are we ready to ask questions? Yes. Our lawyer have answered, even if you don't know how to write, go to their reception and say, I know there is biro here. Where is the biro? I know you say you put borehole here. Where is the borehole? I know you say you put six block of classroom. Where is it? We are free to add that question based on information we derive from the budget. Let us go out and do our whole work. Thank you and God bless you.
Sole, sole, sole. Always find. At this junction, we want to talk about social justice. I say what it? I want to talk about social justice. Many of our Nigerians, every day that they wake up, hustle, 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 go back to bed. At the end of the month, Sugu will come. He will collect all the work when I don't work. Either in the name of tax, in the name of tickets, in the name of one thing or the other. Many Nigerians don't know their rights. Now cry out or they cry. Hey, they do me this one, no. Hey, they do me that one, no. You know why they happen? Because people don't know their rights. I say, waiting.
They don't know their rights.
I say, waiting.
They don't know their rights.
We want to make una begin on our rights. We need to know what it is social contracts. Our business here as citizens. If I may not talk, we go now hand over the microphone to Barrister Leon Osawa. Give me a clap for that. Barrister go come talk about social contracts. And this Joshua Barrister, tell them what it is social contract. Thank you. Go and clap for them now.
Isoleto.
Africa.
Joe. Isoleto.
Africa.
Africa.
Isoleto.
No. Social contracts. I beg. What is the social contract? Social contract be that thing where we say, we give legitimacy to the kind of governance where we get, or the kind of way where we dey live now. Before now, it be say everybody na right unto himself. Might na it be law. Na it be say if you get power well, anyhow you want make you live life, you go live am. No minding your neighbor or the people around you, their own convenience and comfort.
Off that thing, goddammit.
Na it make our forebears, people wey come before us, come think and say, this way where we dey live, e dey make life short and brutish. Wetin I mean be that be say, na who get power, e go bulldoze the way to have wetin e wan get. So na im people come gather together say, make we elect people wey we go donate all the power wey we get, we go give them, make them dey manage society for us. Na im make the country get the issue of government, where people, that is why you go hear say power belongs to the people. Because na the people na im donate the power wey dem get to give right and power and privilege wey government get today dey operate as government. The import of this one be say, make all of us know say government wey we dey see no be something in isolation. Na we, the power wey we give them, na dem dey authorize. The power wey we give them, na dem dey make use of. So when you see certain laws are being made, or you see say some issues dey in the front burner, they wan take decision for National Assembly or State House of Assembly, some of us go say, na politicians, na government, e no concern us. No, because na we give them the power wey they take dey there, and so e concern us well, because without us they no go fit dey there. Sovereignty belongs to the people. So we get rights under even the constitution. That is, you dey hear where comrade dey talk just now say many of us don't know our rights, and I make government dey take us for a ride. If we know our rights, we go know say, as the former speaker talk, we get rights to ask government questions, and also things wey dey affect us, when they wan take decisions. We get right to tell them say this is the way we want them, because na we give them the power to take government. So recently they talk about direct primaries and all of that. Make we know say that law, electoral law, wey National Assembly make, they make am for and on our benefit. When they make the law, the power wey they get to say they make the law, they derive am from us. So when they talk about make everybody they participate for the political process. Me think say na good one. But just a few days ago, I hear say the president say make them go back, make them go rework am. Me, I no support that one. I'll give you reasons. Wetin I dey talk so not be politics o. Na us, na issues concerning us. Na issues wey be say to deepen our participation, particularly as majority of us wey no know our right, to make us participate more in the process. Because I know say some of us here join political parties. But unfortunately, when they want send people for representation, una voices not dey count. Now they go say na delegate voting. Who gets power over these delegates? Now they just come and carry members. No. When they make a delegate voting, it means say that the people will get the owner of the structure. When I think say people they fight for structure of party, you go easy say governors they fight for structure of party. They fight for structure of party so that they go fit make use of this delegate voting to determine who will represent you and I. But if they make everybody to participate, it means say this my own guy where they here, even they not get money, but he get the goodwill of the people. And he come and say, I want to represent my people. The common people go fit make choice, say yes, we want them. But if we say make it be say by delegate voting, it means say that the people will get control over the delegates, they go fit tell the delegates who they go bring come to represent them. So that is why we say, make we appeal to them, make them agree, make everybody they participate.
Speaker, turn the speaker.
And that's not to further deepen that participation where social contract don't bring before. Where you talk about say the people then get the power, where they bring this from government. Because time don't go, make I just try and summarize. The import and the takeaway from this my talk is say, make you know say now your rights and you get the power constitutionally to question policies and laws when they come from government. And when these laws they want make them find out who be that representative for your area where they got your constituency. Waka go in office, tell them say this is your position for this matter. If all of us do so, you know, get choice to go rather than to follow the will of the people, or rather than you go there, go House of Assembly or National Assembly, go say na like this 19 say it will be, or na like this party tell them no, because who they represent na the people, and na the people given that power by way of social contract, make it go they represent. So make all of us continue to participate in the process of governance. Because now we give them the power. If we not do so, we go allow them to continue to have their way as they get up. So I want to encourage one and all to continue participation in the political process. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
Soleto. So driver versus conductor now waiting. Social contract. Now waiting. Governors and citizens now waiting. Buyer and seller now waiting. Nine. Barrister at the top. Let us move. Music, please.
We're working for them.